plants do they disperse? What plants should we use in the future for restoration programs for habitat? These kinds of questions, again, thinking into the future and into the measures that we're going to have to take to protect them. Health. Are the populations healthy? We have been finding lots of infectious diseases on tapirs, on the animals that we capture and sample. So far we have found 5 different types of infectious diseases, and we're now trying to understand how exactly they affect the tapirs. Do they really get sick, or they just get exposed? Do the diseases affect the reproduction, mortality of babies? Those kinds of questions. So we have a team of veterinarians working on that. So this is just a general overview of what we do in terms of research. There's quite a bit more. And then we use all that information, as I said, to make plans. So okay, we know this, and that, and now we need to make plans. We need to develop strategies to conserve these animals. As I said, specific strategies for each one of the biomes where we're working. But on the other hand, we also want to think on the national level. This is a nationwide conservation initiative, so we're feeding all the information that we have been collecting into a national process of action planning. Brazil is going through a process of developing action plans for all the threatened species in the country. This is a governmental initiative, and our data has been extremely helpful when it comes to tapirs in the country. But we also want to spread information as much as possible and contribute information as much as possible to other researchers, other conservation organizations trying to conserve tapirs throughout the distribution range in South America and many other countries. But before, action planning is a little bit more long-term. There's certain things that we have to deal with right now. We have to be able to apply our data right now. I said that roadkill is a big problem for tapirs in Brazil, and it is. It's becoming worse, so this is something that we had to deal with more quickly. This is a highway that crosses Morro do Diabo State Park, the site where we worked in the Atlantic Forest. And during the project at Morro do Diabo, we monitored roadkill in this highway, and an average of 6 tapirs would get hit by cars and killed every year, and many other animals, jaguars, pumas, ocelots, foxes, you name it. But 6 tapirs. And if you think, again, long reproductive cycle, right? If we think that 3